We have seen this machine in production where it's being used 3 shifts a day, 6 days a week, and it is producing high quality embroidery. My area of expertise is to head up the applications team, and the applications team basically goes through and identifies how the equipment can be used in production.
The EMT16X is our latest model in the EMT16 platform development. We kept all the techie cool features that we had before. The Melco patented active feed system, 16 needles, a top speed of 1500 stitches per minute, fast color change, large sewing field. The operating system is compatible with the current version of the machine as well as with previous models of the machine. If you want to run the EMT16X together in a pool with an EMT16 Plus or EMT16, it is not a problem at all.
Key features on the EMT16X, the new trimmer system. We've seen this trimmer system trim threads that are very light all the way up to heavy nylon shoe embroidery threads. It's a more forgiving trimmer system in it, so your design does not have to be perfect for it to hit its trims. All embroidery machines start struggling about 4th or 5th trim into something like that. I've seen the EMT16X just go and go and go.
This assembly right here is our new lower arm assembly for the EMT16X. There's some really high-tech innovation in this as well. New materials that we've been using. We have a set of knives in here. One of the knives is called a fixed knife, and it's actually made out of carbide. Carbide is one of the hardest materials that you can find, and what that does for us is 2 things. One, it will never wear out. Second thing is an auto sharpening system. So we have a second knife, which is the movable knife, and every time the movable knife engages with the carbide fixed knife, it actually auto sharpens the movable knife. We designed the needle plate to have the top fully flattened. That does 2 things for us. One, it allows us to build the trimming system directly into the needle plate. That results in us being able to cut the threads directly underneath the needle plate hole, which results in very short bobbin tails. On the flat surface needle plate, the presser foot fully engages with the top surface and prevents the material from flagging. Another improvement that we've implemented on the EMT16X specifically is how the user can access the bobbin from the front of the machine. With this design now, it's very easy to open the bobbin cover or the hook cover for much easier access to the bobbin and the hook.
With the Melco EMT16X product, you have a feature called laser alignment. Laser alignment allows you to take something like a pocket, have that hooped, and you don't have to hoop it perfectly, allows you to locate 2 points on that garment. And what that does is it'll take the design and it'll rotate, position, and move it accordingly to be center in between those 2 points. That just gives you a very high quality looking product out the door.
We are also releasing a new option for the machine. That new option is called Melco XL Hoop, which is the largest hoop that Melco ever designed for our customers. This actually allows for the full sew field that our machine is capable of embroidering on. The kit itself comes also with 2 new hoop arms. These hoop arms were specifically designed to support the XL hoop on our machines. They're highly stiff to prevent flagging of the material when the machine is running.
Most important thing at a production shop is that you keep the needle going up and down. That's how you make money with an embroidery machine. And so a lot of times with our competitor's product, the machine has to set idle while you set up information based off of thread type or needle type, or you may even have to stop the machine at different points of the design to switch maybe from a polyester thread to a metallic thread. With our system in Design Shop, that's our digitizing software, you can set up all the machine's parameters, save it in the OFM, which is our proprietary file format, load that into the Melco EMT16X, and the machine will operate as you programmed it over off of Design Shop. So there's no need for you to stop or pause the machine to make a change. It's all programmed into the design.
One of the changes to mention on the new EMT16X, we made the tube a little longer, so it protrudes further out of the thread cone, which eliminates the problem with the thread potentially catching on the cone itself.
But you also have built in a barcode system. The barcode system is a part of the package when you buy from Melco with the EMT16X. All you have to do is utilize that, and it can save you the time of finding where that design is and loading that design in. So the operator, once again, can just scan and go.
With the EMT16X and the improvements in the firmware, as you can see now, the bobbin distribution, meaning the thread tension during embroidery, is highly controlled. One of the test designs that we run a lot here at Melco. It's a very demanding design for an embroidery machine. It has all kinds of different design features in here that test for cleanliness of, small lettering, thread break performance on small lettering, column distribution and cleanliness in different directions. So then if you flip over the embroidery from the back side to the front side, you can see that the result of the improvements in the firmware for the machine result in a very clean, high-quality embroidery for our customers. There's no other company in the US who can say that their equipment is designed in the US. We also provide services that cover applications for our customers. So applications, again, is one of the 3 critical components to embroidery.